Hello, this is Joanne, Colorado. Well, my plants have, salvia still has blooms on it. My bees balm still is green. But these zinnias, salvias back there aren't looking so hot. And for a yard decoration, this bird bath would look really pretty with something a little more alive. So we're gonna clean this mess up and then hopefully get some new stuff tomorrow. And you can vote on whether it looks better or whether I should have left this old seedy stuff, because the little birds really like to eat these seeds. So I'm going to clean up this mess, and I'll just cut all these plants off at the ground or at the pot so that I can put some livelier stuff in there and something that will insulate those pots. So then the bird bath will look a lot prettier sitting there too. So I will be back.